Alright, peeps, we're back. It's 9:43. Oh shit, sorry. There are peeps over here. Peeps. Look at him. Hello. Two cute girls there. Cute cuties. Look at them. Two cute things. The legend. Look at him. They're looking. Need a drink. Let's get back to my drinks. But I'm glad the sun's out, baby. It would have been hardly no cars otherwise. At least we got some cars today. Normally it's packed, but it's okay. It's okay. Did they get a shot of these orange Lambos? I don't know. I can't remember. See, that's one of the reasons why I record, peeps. I cannot remember. No fella. Did I get a shot of the Lambo? I don't even know. There's a hot thing right there though. LP 610-4. I think that one, yeah, that's the same as this one. Alright, peeps, we out. Oh, the Holden's open the bonnets. Let's go check the Holdens out. I don't know about this Aston. I don't know if I took a picture of that or that thing. I can't remember, like I said. No, you're good. You can go. I only need like 1 second. Oh, I didn't see this. I hope you can see this in the camera. Just sick. Up. Slowly come down. But I'm gonna see that dirty thing take off. I wanna see that boss thing. Is that thing? No. Just gonna talk to that chick, but she's not here today. That's sad. Rakisha, where you at? Not here today. And our man.
Yep. I've got that in England. Yep. Drove as a car. Yep. To New Zealand. Drove as a car. I wanted to see it. Drove as a car. I wanted to bring it here. I was registered as a motorcycle. I didn't have a motorbike license. So I talked to the people concerned and said, look, this is just madness, right? I can drive this car all the way up to the WA border, and then your license doesn't.
Oh yeah, I'm wearing all black today. It's our first.
Yeah, but you can't touch that.
No, you good. You good. I like getting shots of the peeps. Like the peeps out there. Hello. Hello to everybody, all the peeps. Let's see. Seen that little thing?
Alright guys,
Seen this boss little Porsche? Have I seen it?
There you go. I make that flower weave.
Nothing special. But this is special. We'll get a shot on the other side. Like this.
Yeah, just straight through there.
Oh yeah, now the chicks aren't here too. What's their names? I kind of forgot. What the fuck? I hope that's his daughter. That's his daughter. Stop playing with me. Do 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 do. Green thing, green thing. Green thing right here. Go on the other side, you can get a better shot. The sun. It's a dirty little thing. I love the minis. Nah, this is dirty. I love this little thing.
Yeah, I just saw the highlight.
Hey guys, this is the boss's thing here.